Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can deactivate your Facebook account. So it's pretty simple. After you open Facebook, click on menu at the bottom right of your screen and then click on the setting icon at the top right. From over here, what you want to do is, in blue color you can see more in account center. Click on it. From inside here, you want to click on personal details. From inside personal details, you will see account ownership and control. Click on it. From over here, you want to choose deactivation or deletion, the second option. From here, choose your Facebook. Once you choose your Facebook, make sure deactivate account is selected at the top. Click on continue at the bottom. From here, remember, if you deactivate your Facebook account, your Facebook page linked with your Facebook account will also be deactivated. If you're okay with that, click on continue. Once you do that, it is going to ask you for the password of your account. After you enter the password of your Facebook account and click on continue, your Facebook account will be deactivated. And if you want to reactivate your Facebook account again, just log in into your Facebook account and it will be reactivated again. So that is how you guys can deactivate your Facebook. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.